Need to access your computer remotely from anywhere, whether you're working from home, helping someone troubleshoot their PC, or accessing files on another computer, a reliable remote desktop tool can make things much easier. Hi, welcome to Portal 7. In this video, I'll show you how to use AweSun Remote Desktop step by step, how to connect to another computer, and the important features you should know. So, let's get started. Download link is in video's description and pinned comment. It works on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. Here I will download AweSun for Windows. Once downloaded, go with basic installation. Click on Enter Now. Here you can see its main window. Suppose you need to remotely access a family member's computer or your client's PC to help them with something. The good thing is that your client doesn't need to create an account or register. Simply click on Remote Assist and you'll see a device ID on the screen. You only need to ask your client for this ID. Now let's switch to the other side and open AweSun on your phone. On this phone, I've already installed AweSun and logged in, so we're ready to connect to the remote computer. Click on Remote Assist and enter this device ID. Click on OK. Now a request will appear on PC to control. Client has to accept it. And now you can fully control this PC directly from your phone. On the mobile screen, you get a fully functional mouse that lets you navigate and control the remote computer with ease. Tap on bottom right button to open full menu in phone. Here you'll find several useful options including screen recording, screenshots, locking the desktop, screen rotation, shutdown, and more. You can use cursor or touch to navigate PC screen. For example, I'm using the cursor here to open the Microsoft Edge browser. From there, I'll open the Joe PDF website and download and install the PDF application on this remote PC. The PDF application is installed successfully within just a few seconds. You can access normal keyboard, custom keyboard, and gaming keyboard in AweSun. You can also adjust the video quality and frame rate according to your requirements. Virtual mouse can be off if you are doing your work by touch only. Touch on bottom right second button to open full keyboard. Here I am opening Windows Device Manager if need to diagnose any issue. As you can see, it's working smoothly. Now I am accessing its storage drives. Now click on Quit to close remote connection. Now let's log in on this PC to access some more features. As you can see, now I am logged in. Click on Device. Here you can see your connected devices on this account. Screencast is an amazing feature. You can cast another device screen on this PC by scanning this QR code from another device, or you can cast this PC screen on another device by entering projection code in box below. Click on Settings. Click on Security. Here you can set security verification to remote access this device. It can be your PC's username and password, or you can set access password. Here I will set a access password. Now click on Save. You can also explore other security settings. Now click on Screencast. I will scan this QR code by my phone. In phone, click on Remote Access, then click on Screen Mirroring. Now click Scan. Click on Full Screen. As you can see, phone screen is now live on this PC. Click on Stop to exit from mirroring. Now in phone, click on Device, then click on your connected desktop. Here you can access your PC's camera. You can also access your PC's storage drives. You can also control your PC by command prompt in your phone. You have power option 2 for shutdown and restart. On pricing page, you can see it's available on very low prices compared to other platforms. Best thing is that it has a free version, and most of your work can be done in free version easily. It's available in 5 different plans. You can compare plans and get best one for your requirements. You can get the link in video's description and pinned comment. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.